Okay, this is the setup and also the for debugging purpose. First of all, we already plug in the power supply of this pump, and here that you need to connect the tube to the pump, and this is how you start the pump. Once you start, then you will go through this tube and come to the microscope, and then you can help to suck the dye on it. We have not put it yet. Yeah, and then we are setting up the source. This is for the generators, and this is for VDD and ground, and this is the oscilloscope. And of course, the goal is to measure the common source amplifier with VDD here, ground here, and then this is the input, this is the output. We'll show that later. Okay, so the first thing is to test the oscilloscope. So yeah, we connected this one. This is if nothing working, then you can try to debug, right? Just put this here, connect the ground to the voltage source, and then try to measure the peak to peak, see if we get the right peak to peak. Yeah, so looks correct, right? What do we say here? 100 peak, 100 millivolt peak to peak, and this is also 100 millivolt peak to peak. Actually down. It is 200. It's usually the okay, so just be careful. Sometimes the reading we need to follow the convention, but anyway, at least there's signal. Okay, and then next one we set up the source again. Try to test it. So at this point, right, so we need to find the right cable. So we're getting it from the back of the lab. Okay, this is just for testing on the top as a voltmeter to test whether we get the right voltage from the bottom. Yeah, so we get 1 volt, very good. And then the next thing is to hook up this to our probe station, right? And by the way, before that, I already put in the USB so that I will be able to see the chip. So this is the program, DinoLite. Okay, you need to install before. Yeah. Yeah. That very well last time. So them. So you see each of them has one cable, right? And it's a coaxial cable. Now the problem is because it's coaxial, we need to use this splitter, yeah, to break it to ground and signal. We have a vacuum to keep the okay. We need that to keep that in the center black dot point there. Yeah. So again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, correspond to that one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let's maybe go ahead to connect, right? VDD. This is 4. Just stick up. Yeah, that's a good idea. But okay, but you can go ahead. This one, right, is 4. Can you connect to VDD?
This one is 4.
Yeah.
Okay. But this one is
1, 2, 3, Oh, sorry. 1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. This
Yeah.
is output. Next this is input.
Yeah.
And this is VDD and ground.
No. Look at it carefully.
Okay, sorry.
That's input and VDD.
Okay. This is fourth is VDD, and this is third, right?
Yeah.
Input.
Yeah.
VDD and input. This is second. Ground and output.
Yeah. So can you connect that? First connect the VDD.
So yeah. Next, how to connect? Like
Find the cable first. Where is 4?
okay. These cables.
No, what is that? No, that's not 4.
This is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. One is output. So this is output.
Yeah, but one VDD.
We want
Connect
VDD.
VDD first.
3, 4. This is VDD.
No. Look carefully.
Hmm.
Is this cable connected to that one?
This two are VDD. This position is yeah. Connected VDD. Now this VDD is done. Next, they connect ground.
Now connect the ground.
This is ground. 2.
So everything is ground. So everything goes to
ground,
ground, right?
okay.
You need a cable to connect all of them together. We need a common ground, right?
Nice. Yeah.
So just all connect to ground. You might need to find another cable because later you need to connect the other ground to here also. Yeah, try to get a cable of wire. So you bread block to connect all the ground
Grounds.
together. But this 9, the whole 9 goes to number 2 ground. Yeah, this is 1.
This is 2.
Yeah, bottom is 2. Hop is free. Okay, so this is our grounded. Yeah, we still need 2 more ground later for another 2 signal, but that's okay now.
So ground is completed, VDD is completed.
Yeah.
Output and input.
Output and input. Okay, so let's now put in the input. Input is number 3.
So you also have to keep it with the oscilloscope.
Yeah, no, that's input. Let's do the
Yeah,
input signal first, right?
Input.
Where's the input? I mean,
Input is 3.
yeah, but from the generator,
Generator.
yeah. Get the input signal first. Yeah. Yeah, so again, this one,
One is connected to signal and other is connected.
you need to have a common ground to connect to here. Yeah, you both of,
Ground.
yeah, you can do it in that way also. The input, right? Yeah, input. Student input. Okay, good. And then let's do the
Just place them on the table.
output also. Yeah. No. This is just for measurement. You can put it aside. So
output is 1.
yeah.
For that, you can use that in the table. This is for output. Maybe you can use one for output.
Yeah, we do need to measure the input also to show them what's the input. But again, we need a common ground.
The signal.
Yeah.
You can put it on the table. Use two tables.
So it would be good to measure the input also.
Input also.
What?
Yeah.
Why we already have input?
No, it's a stop.
I mean,
Oh, it's stopped. I see. Okay. Yeah, let's measure the input also. Just like what you did earlier.
So first I will on this.
Yeah, so it's good to measure the input.
Yes.
You can common ground. Yeah, and then just grab the input. Which one? No, just grab from here, right? This yellow one. Yeah, yellow one, right?
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, and then just use that one to measure.
This is VDD.
Oh, this is VDD. I'm wrong. So this one. Yeah, it's pretty messy, but yeah. Just a measure. Just
Yeah.
put there to measure. Make sure that we do have the signal.
take a wire, but try to put it.
Yeah, and then just sync it.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we do have input. Okay, so then the next thing, let's go ahead to load the chip. Okay.
Place the cable such a way that you don't have to check again.
Yeah. But you don't
Otherwise
know,
you'll be
right? During the
forgetting,
class,
yeah,
yeah,
during
if
class you
doesn't
won't
work, no
forget.
one is helping you. Okay.
Like-
So now we need to load the chip. Can you take the box? Where's the
It's
box?
there.
Oh, it's here. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it has
Yeah, you
two.
need to-
Yeah, it has two. So can you try? Yeah.
You have to be
So
very
this is the
careful.
tweezer.
See, these are the two.
We have two
Okay.
dies only here. Do you see
There's
this
two
1
dies.
millimeter? Yeah. These two. You see this?
Yes.
Yeah. And then use the tweezer. Just pick one of them. I think so maybe I don't
Next
know.
to that small
This one
smaller
will be good. Yes. In principle, we need to put on the glove, but that's okay.
You have to put it on that.
Yeah.
So just take this there and then slowly.
And in principle, you should not touch the tweezer with your hand. I mean, just now you scratch your hand, right? Yeah,
This one.
but that is okay
Your tweezer
But-
shouldn't be touched with hand.
because it's very greasy, and we should put on glove. But that is okay because this is just okay. Don't do it now.
Mm.
Can you put it down?
Mm.
The first thing is to adjust. Do you see this probe tip?
Yeah.
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 So we want to move the probe tip away.
Mm.
Lift them up to make sure that they don't hit the stage. You see this stage here? You
Yeah.
can see my camera.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
black one.
Yeah. So lift them up. Do you see this up?
Mm.
Right. No. Look at it. Up is
Yeah,
clockwise.
clock.
Yeah. Lift them up to make sure that this one looks pretty okay, and then pull them.
Back.
Yeah. So we already put in a pretty, no. This is turning left and right. Back
Okay.
is this one.
This is showing up.
This is going, you can also look at the,
Here. So this is
yeah.
where you're looking to.
your computer,
Here somewhere.
but we cannot see it, right? So you
Yeah.
can see
Try
this
those
one.
two.
Try this one. Look at the camera.
This
Look at
center.
your laptop. Just move it. Do you
It's
see
moving,
that it is
yeah.
moving?
Mm.
Moving back and forth.
Yes, Professor.
Okay. Yeah. Try to
Need
move
to
back
try
more
to
just to
get
show
the
that.
black dot.
Back. No, this is left and right. Look at your camera. You see it's moving. It's going to touch another one. You don't want
Okay.
them to hit each other.
So
Back.
should back.
Say
pull
1, 2,
back.
3. So use them.
So what is backwards?
I mean back. I mean pull to me. Pull
Yeah,
it to
pull
me.
towards from.
Pull to me.
So this
Try
is
a bit.
You
will get
need
an
to try.
idea.
I
Try
don't
a
know.
bit,
Yeah,
Try
try a
a bit.
little bit, then you
So
will.
you will understand this goes front and back.
okay,
right?
top and down, right? This one.
No,
Right.
this is go.
I think front and back.
Front and back.
It goes like this.
Okay.
If you see.
Okay.
Just turn more. You will see it.
Just
Look at the-
slowly try.
Look at the camera. Look at your laptop. Look at your laptop,
Mm.
and you keep pulling. Keep turning.
You have to come to this black dot.
Back.
No, not now.
Not-
We can move the stage. I'm asking you to learn how
Oh,
to use
okay.
the manipulator.
So this is a back parts
Yeah.
and front parts.
Yeah, just play with
Just
that.
get it handy.
Just play with
okay. If I rotate clockwise, it's coming
Yeah.
backwards. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and
Mm.
this is turning left and right. Right. Look at your.
This is
Okay.
anti-clockwise, so it's
Mhm.
left. Clockwise means right.
And whenever you want to do this or say front back movement,
Mm.
it has to be lifted up.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah, because
Okay.
we already lifted up, but now
That's
let's
right.
try to make it higher. If you make it higher, you will be out of focus, right? That's how you see it. And the best is here we do have an up, right? Read the label clearly,
this is
right?
up, yeah.
Follow it.
Up.
Okay. Yeah.
back
Okay. Good.
and center. Okay.
So now let's load the stage. What you can do actually, we don't need to move the probe tip.
Mm.
You just move this one up.
This one.
Yeah, just turn it. You will see. Turn it. Look at. You can look at here.
Oh yeah.
No, just put this up. You have different turns, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Play with them. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you
this
see
one.
that? It is moving.
That's
Yeah.
my
Move out. Move the whole thing out.
hold.
Move up towards yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Take it out. Yeah. And then stop here.
Okay.
Stop. And then load the die.
Oh, now I have to.
Yeah.
hold it.
Yeah. Where's the die? Okay. Now this is very difficult. You little bit. Yeah. You can turn it. What you want to do is don't drop on the floor. So you want to flip your hand.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then just take it.
Don't put on your hand. That's just for
Yeah.
safety reasons.
Just put it
Hold your
on
hand
top
like
your
this and
hand.
then take it.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Just in case it drop, right?
Yeah.
And then just put on the stage on the hole. Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
And we don't know the orientation actually, right? So
So it's
put
a-
in so that we can see it from the camera.
I mean, just try to get the food
Push this in there.
Inside. Okay.
Turn it in.
slowly.
Right.
Make sure the needle doesn't.
So I will make this
move
higher.
all
Just
up.
Okay. Mm.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, a
Stop
bit
here.
left, right.
You see that somehow your camera is not working. Got shifted. Let me check why.
So orientation is other way around.
This one. This
Yeah.
one.
those two.
Okay.
So
Should
we
I
want to rotate it
rotate it?
by rotate by 180 degrees.
So 182.
Yeah, because we already know that
These four.
these are the four.
These are for
Yeah.
Yeah.
One,
that we are using.
Yeah. Okay. Can you rotate it? Pull it out and then rotate 180 degrees using the twister.
No. You
Yeah.
have to rotate the.
Just
Yeah, you can hear the sound, right? Because it's not sucking now. So can you turn off the
Yeah.
you can go to the other side and push it back. It's not easy and doesn't need to be exactly straight.
No. Okay.
Yeah, that should be maybe turn a little bit more, very tiny. Okay, let's
slide.
try that. Can you turn it on? Let's see if that works. Yeah.
It's fine.
Turn it on.
So
It's placed.
yeah. So
Let me keep it on. It's fine.
okay.
Just slightly.
Yeah, I think this is good.
It's
Okay.
Then we can just.
Okay, now put it back. It's tired, right? I
Yeah.
put it back.
It's flipped.
It's
It's
structured
the
or
whole die is flipped.
okay. Okay.
Okay, so let me. It's troublesome. Let me try to do it then.
So
You
yeah,
can
it's
hold the camera.
Yeah. All right, so we have turn it, and this is the layout, right? So again, this is what output, input, VDD, and graph, right? Correspond.
Yeah.
That one. Okay, great. So now, can you start probing, right? It's not easy, right? The first time. So what we want to do is, how about let's start with VDD. Yeah, so number 4. So you move your probe to the close to it and then probe it. But you want to take this away first. This is blocking you, right?
This is broken.
Yeah, this is number 2.
Okay.
I mean, maybe you can put the ground first. Let's do number 2 first. Yeah.
We can move.
So you cannot first look at it, you cannot see it clearly because it's out of focus, right?
Yeah,
It means
cannot
it's
see it.
very high.
Yeah.
So try to turn down gradually.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't need to look at that. It's difficult. You need to look at the laptop slowly until you see the shape, right? I mean, if the shape is sharp, then you know that it's close to the chip.
And you have to do it.
No. Yeah, you go into the wrong direction,
This
right?
one's still
This
Clockwise.
is up, right? Yeah.
Clockwise.
Clockwise is up.
Up. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clockwise.
So try to turn it anti-clockwise. You can go more because it's pretty high. Yeah. After you have some, you see the getting sharper now.
Yeah.
You won't be able to see it from there. It's better to look at the shape. Yeah. Look at your camera, your laptop,
Yeah.
right? You see that there a shadow and also the probe tip itself. When this is probe tip, right? And do you see
Yeah.
the shadow? The other one, this is the
Shadow.
shadow. This one is the shadow.
Okay.
They will merge when you are low enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you keep going down? Look at there. You cannot see from here. Now you also see that you are getting out of the chip, right? So try to go in,
So just
push in. Yeah. Just turn it to feel which one is in, which is out. You can look at your camera. Look at your laptop. Yeah, just move more, then you will see
on the,
Upper side.
so you want this way, right? So one little.
This is down.
No, that you have.
So I have to move it.
Yes. Then take it a little.
Okay.
You can, it should be okay. Yeah, just
Yeah,
go
that's
in,
it.
yeah.
Now try to go be a little back and then try to zoom so that everything.
So
Yeah.
down.
Now down, slowly down.
So while you are careful, but no need to be too scared because it's okay with other probe tip, but just don't.
So is it when will I know that it's touched?
You will see.
You will
the
see
sharper
when when it's sharp. Another is you're going to push the die. Just keep going down. Don't worry, we're with you. So yeah, you're almost there. Just keep going because we do need to scratch the die. Okay, now it's pretty sharp.
gray, right?
Yeah.
So this is a little silverish because we used this last time. So you have to scratch it so that it touches the pad.
Yeah. So that's how it works.
Now you see.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
keep more. If you go more, it should slide forward a little bit. Yeah, then maybe here you can. Does it slide a little bit, right?
some more little bit.
No, that's okay
it,
for now.
that's it.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Now let's go